Don't miss out. Subscribe now for exclusive content and updates. Your interaction matters, like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Let's make every moment count. Hi, I'm Tom. What's your name?
Hi Tom, I'm Sarah.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Tom.
How are you today, Sarah?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you, Tom?
It's sunny today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library?
Sure, it's 2 blocks down this street, then turn left.
What would you like to eat?
I'll have a cheeseburger, please.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and painting. How about you?
Would you like to go to the movies with me on Friday?
Yes, I'd love to.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Do you like animals?
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like math. What about you?
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer. How about you?
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Lion King. What's yours?
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. What about you?
What do you usually do on holidays?
I usually spend time with my family. How about you?
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I've been to France. It was amazing. Have you traveled abroad?
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor. What about you?
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to travel the world. What about you?
What's something you don't like?
I don't like spiders. How about you?
What did you do last weekend?
I went to the beach with my friends. How about you?
You look nice today.
Thank you, you too.
Do you have any dreams for the future?
Yes, I want to become a famous singer.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring because of the blooming flowers. What about you?
Do you like using smartphones?
Yes, they make life much easier.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dolphins. They are so intelligent and playful.
Do you like going to the gym?
Yes, I enjoy working out and staying healthy.
Any plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with my family. What about you?
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake. What about you?
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea, especially green tea.
Have you started your science project yet?
Yes, I'm working on it with my classmates.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love going to the beach. It's so relaxing.
What's your favorite color?
I really like purple. What about you?
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries. They are so juicy and sweet.
Do you have a favorite vegetable?
I like carrots because they are crunchy and nutritious.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher and help children learn.
Do you like playing board games?
Yes, my favorite is Monopoly. What about you?
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love going for bike rides in the park.
What's your favorite indoor activity?
I enjoy reading books and watching movies.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like art class. What about you?
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn because of the beautiful colors.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite. I love spending time with family.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love ice cream, especially chocolate flavor.
Do you have a favorite drink?
I love ice cream, especially chocolate flavor.
What's your favorite sport?
I love swimming. It's so refreshing.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like the Avengers series. What about you?
Do you have a favorite animal?
I love dogs. They are loyal and friendly.
Well, it was nice talking to you, Sarah.
Yes, it was. Goodbye, Tom.
Immerse yourself, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, TV shows, and listen to English music. This helps you get accustomed to the language's rhythm and intonation. Practice speaking, don't be afraid to speak. Practice speaking English with friends, language partners, or even by talking to yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Vocabulary expansion, learn new words every day and try to use them in sentences. Make flashcards or use language learning apps to help memorize and review vocabulary. Grammar basics, understand basic grammar rules such as verb conjugation, sentence structure, and tenses. However, don't get too caught up in grammar perfection, focus on effective communication first. Listen actively, pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and phrases. Mimic their pronunciation and intonation to improve your own speaking skills. Speak slowly and clearly, especially when starting out, speak slowly and enunciate each word clearly. As you gain confidence, you can gradually increase your speaking speed. Find a language partner, practice speaking with someone who is fluent in English. Language exchange partners can help correct your mistakes and provide valuable feedback. Use online resources. Take advantage of online resources such as language learning websites, apps, podcasts, and YouTube channels that provide lessons and practice exercises. Set goals, set specific, achievable goals for your language learning journey. Whether it's mastering a certain number of vocabulary words per week or holding a conversation entirely in English, having goals can keep you motivated and focused. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress along the way and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Stay consistent in your practice, and you'll see improvement over time.